Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay meron tayong masarap na breakfast at very healthy pa ito. Fruits and vegetable smoothie, slice of apple, carrots, cucumber, beetroot, avocado. Yung ating masarap na slice of banana. Very healthy and yummy oat milk. Lagyan tayo ng 3 spoon yung ating powdered milk at meron pa tayong assorted nuts, cashew nuts and pistachio nuts, water at i-blend lang natin ito guys. At meron na tayong very healthy smoothie, fruits and vegetable. Napakasarap nito guys. 3 pieces of masarap na sunny side up egg. Nagprito tayo guys. Hot drinks. Onion tea, slice of onion, 5 prasong cloves, yung ating tea seed at fresh mint leaves. Healthy and yummy fall breakfast is ready to serve. Masarap na slice of avocado. Healthy beetroots, napakasarap ng ating beetroots. Siyempre masarap din ang ating kiwi. Very healthy siya. Slice of banana. Yummy banana. Yung ating slice of apple, cucumber, ang sarap ng cucumber din guys. Yung ating sunny side up egg, nagad lang ako para sa ating napakasarap na sunny side up egg ng salt and pepper. Favorite ko rin ito guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Carrots, slice of carrots. Meron pa tayong masarap na grapes and olive. Napaka-healthy din ng ating olive guys. Fresh and very healthy yummy yogurt. Bumili pa ako ng masarap na malaking sliced bread. Magad lang tayo ng ating tuna spread. At kung gusto natin ng butter, meron tayong butter and sliced cheese. Nagad lang tayo ng ating tuna spread and sliced cheese. Yun ang napili ko para sa ating palaman sa ating masarap na sliced bread. Ang sarap nito guys, paparami tayo ng kain nito. Kain tayo guys ng masarap na sliced bread. Sabay niyo ako kumain ng masarap and healthy loaded breakfast. 4 cold drinks, yung ating masarap na healthy smoothie, fruits and vegetable. Hot drinks, yung ating masarap na onion tea with fresh mint leaves and water. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.